Hey you guys, today is Monday of week 7. They changed up our routine on us a little bit. Instead of being in your HMH My Book, this one, they chose to do Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. And I'm going to send you a video of the read aloud that this lady does right after I send you the link for this video. And when she gets through reading it, you're going to do a visualization picture. You're going to, as she's reading, you're going to think in your mind about what those things look like. You're going to see things in different colors than other people are. You're going to see things that bigger than other people see or smaller than other people see. You're gonna see things, maybe as she's reading, it sounds like a little boy talking to you, or maybe somebody else thinks it's a little girl. So make sure that your picture is what you see in your mind. You're not gonna copy the pictures out of the book, and I'm gonna show you an example, but you're not gonna copy this example either. It's gonna be your own picture. So this is an example that a little boy did, and he drew the meatballs falling down on the house. And then you're going to write me a couple of sentences, 2 or 3 sentences, about your drawing. Tell me what's happening in your drawing. And that's what he did right here, only you don't have to do it inside the picture. You can do it down below like this one is, or however you want to do that. Snap a picture of it and send it to me. Then you're going to do the Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs vocabulary matching game. So this is in your packet. If you did not get a packet, then you can print it off. And it looks like this. These are your vocabulary words, and you're going to cut them apart. And then you're going to match them to the little definition. So like this first one is prediction. And when we predict something, we are making a guess. Okay, so these are in an order where they match up, but you want to cut them apart and you want to mix them up so that you're not automatically giving the answer. You're gonna mix them around and then match them up, the word to the definition. And that'll be it for your reading and writing. Then for your phonics, this should be in your packet, and it's your spelling words, which are compound words. And I'm going to talk to the kids more about compound words tonight on my Google Meets at 6 o'clock. So join there, and I'm going to talk to the kids about those compound words. Then you're going to pick one of these two. You're going to pick one on Monday, and you're going to pick one on Wednesday to do with your spelling words. So these are, the first one is hopscotch. You can make a hopscotch board and spell each one of your spelling words inside of hopscotch board. And then as you hop on it, you're going to read that word. Or you can chalk them on the sidewalk and take a picture to send to me. Take a picture of your hopscotch too to send to me. You can write a story with your spelling words. A lot of times you can come up with some really goofy stories as you're trying to fill in use all of your spelling words. A bouncy ball. As you bounce the ball, spell the words and take a picture or a video of your student doing that. Then you can do environmental print. Environmental print is anything around you that has that word. So you might find in a magazine where they talk about a cake, and you can cut out the word cake, and then you can find a cup. You can take a picture of a cup and put it on there. So, and then it'll make the word cupcake. Then you can also jump rope. You can spell your word as you are jumping, one letter for each jump. And that would be a fun video or picture to send to me. So that's what you'll do on for those phonics. And then for art, there are these different elements of art, and it tells you the definition. You're going to go around your house and you're going to find some examples of those elements. So one example of a line would be maybe your window blinds, because they are lines. An example of a shape would be a drawing, or maybe like your door is a rectangle. Then form. All kinds of things can be your form. It's a 3D, so like a box is like a cube, or something like that. So then you have color, and you can show color in all different kinds of ways. Value is different shadows. Like if you're watching my video right now, you can see when I turn my head and block some of the light, it changes the value, the brightness, the darkness of my video. Then space, showing an object and then some space around it, seeing what's around that object. And texture. So your tree bark gets really rough, or you can compare a sidewalk to pavement and how it feels different. So just have some fun with this. Draw some things and write what they are, and see if you can pick out these things in art for this week. You don't have to do that all today. It's a week-long project. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Don't forget to watch the Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs video that I send you right after this one.